Episode Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make this nice good stuffing, homemade stuffing. Very delicious, easy to make. Follow along with me and you will not regret it. Start off with 3 good chicken breasts. And what you want to do is we're going to take the skin off. We're going to cut all 3 of them, this chicken like this, into cubes. Okay, here we go. Next, you want to put the meat into the pot. And then you want to add 1.5 cups of water. And you want to simmer this real slow on low heat. Okay, we're going to put 3 Bouillon cubes of chicken broth, chicken cubes, and we're gonna 2 cups of cornmeal, self-rising, and then you're gonna add 2 eggs, milk, 1.5 cups of milk, with 2 teaspoons of oil. Okay, what you want to do is take a small whisk. And we're just going to whisk this very good together. Okay, we're going to put this into the oven for about 350 Fahrenheit until about 45 minutes until it's done. Okay, we're going to put this into the strainer. Okay. And we're going to pick all the meat from the bone, separate it. You want to put all your meat over here, kind of break it up here a little bit. I'll boil some celery for a minute, let it get boiled so it gets tender. We'll come back after this. Okay, we're going to put our meat over here in this bigger pot. Okay, we're going to put some celery into this. Okay, now we're going to stir this. Mix this all together. Okay, we're going to use some of this chicken broth, chicken stock, or turkey stock right here. Okay, you want 4 teaspoons of sage. That's 1, 2, 3, and that makes 4. And then you want a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon. Okay, you want a teaspoon of parsley to go with it. Next thing you want to do is you just want to start cutting out some strips of cornbread. Okay. Now we're going to take some cornbread and we're going to crumble this up real good. You want to make sure it gets crumbled into the Oh my God, take a look at that. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. Yeah, it smells good. That is so delicious. Anyways, we'll come back, take a taste of this. Take a look at that. That is some delicious looking stuffing right there. Alright, I'm gonna take a bite right here. Here's this. Oh my God. That is delicious. So hot. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.